Sophia's reaction.
That might just be me.
What's the mouse pad? What do you think?
It's a touchpad, mouse pad. Same thing, no difference.
Okay.
Hold on, is the plug-in thing here?
Yeah.
It's there. Oh, they don't have it. I'm gonna have to download everything on this thing. One day I just feel like the top's gonna come off again. Don't know why.
No, can you inspect the one that you...
It's not squishy.
It's not squishy like last time, is it?
No.
Okay.
I'll find a way to...
Yeah, you can check it if it's working.
Works fine, but like...
Are you sure?
Oh wow, the mouse works.
The mouse pad. What's wrong with it?
Like, they're usually in line with the space bar.
Yeah?
But they put it there.
Oh, it's a bit
This is the same with the last one, but
yeah, why? What's
that's
the last one? Is it
really annoying. Yeah, they're the same. It's working fine, but that's really annoying.
laptop is working, all working, yeah, Steve?
Yeah.
Okay.
Normal looking, but it's definitely unstable and me. I'm just unstable.
Happy then with your computer laptop, Sophia?
Yeah.
Look,
If you look at the
happy? Happy little girl? Yay. It's working. You see?
what's the webcam like? Toy camera. Yeah. Just go to camera down there and take a picture.
Scratches when I do this, but it's gonna take a billion. Oh, never mind. Don't look at my scratch count, please.
No, I'm not talking.
Wait, working.
Yay. Okay, so Sophia, tell me what you gonna use with your computer laptop.
Schoolwork and Roblox.
Oh, tell me more about what you want with what you like with your computer then.
So I really like it. I like the small.
Yeah, the review. You need to give the review about it now. Show it like that. So first, what's the name of what's the brand of your
Coda.
Coda? It's not known, isn't it?
No.
Yeah, but is it matter with you if it is
It's laptop.
laptop? Yeah, as long as that it will.
One of the things is it makes like a weird plasticky sound sometimes. Like, can you hear that?
Yeah, is it where?
Sort of like a plastic creaky sound.
Okay,
So that's alright.
you don't mind the brand. You don't mind. Are you a brand conscious, or what do you think about the brands of
I know it's a different brand, but like, it's cool.
Does it matter if it is a known brand or not?
No.
Why not?
I just like it either way.
More. So what you can say about it? Do you recommend that brand or what?
If you're looking for a cheap laptop, sure.
Yeah.
It works well for schoolwork and everything.
That all matters, is it? As long as that it serve the purpose, isn't it?
Yeah.
So branding is not really essential, isn't it? But do you think the good brand, like the well-known brand, do you think they are perform better than this brand?
Maybe.
Maybe. So what are you gonna say about your thing then?
I like it.
And what will you say with the one who bought your computer?
Thank you.
Who bought your computer?
Dad.
Dad. Okay, so say what are you gonna say with your dad?
Thank you, Dad.
I love you, Dad. Oh, do you love your dad?
Yes.
Okay, so say bye-bye then to my. So say goodbye to my viewers then.
Bye.
Yeah.